Are you ready? Anlo Awomefia S.H.S. Old Students Association. ANOSA is inviting you to this year's homecoming. It's the ANOSA Homecoming 2023, a celebration of socialization full of fun, networking, and everything of the alma mater. This year's homecoming is under the theme, Our School, Our Future, the Role of ANOSA. The week-long celebration starts on Saturday 24th of June with general cleaning from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Thursday 29th of June, health walk, education, and health screening from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Friday 30th of June, career guidance, candle night procession, and variety night from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Saturday 1st of July will be a grand deba for fundraising and sword curtain for the Great Fence Wall project. Afternoon will be a congress for all old students and musical performance in the evening, all starting from 8:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sunday 2nd of July, Thanksgiving and fun games from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Musical performance by Kofi Selassie, and many more. Venue at the school campus, Anyako Kota, the Royals of Anlo Kingdom, Miawezo. You are welcome. Sindizua, Akwaba, ANOSA Homecoming 2023. Let's make it happen.